I got my laser beam and Mr. Monkable.
What the hell is that? Back then, my superheroes were better, like Fart Man, Fat Man, and everything of those. What the fuck is that?
The flip. What kind of superheroes are those?
Oh, these babies. Talking
And
about
get in my
those
room.
babies. What the fuck? Anyways,
Keep it family
these are the
friendly.
old shut up. These are the old superheroes. Yes,
And
I
it's like Pazuzu.
Man, shut up. Hey, Sonny, do you see that? Sonny, oh, I got shot. If I die, I want you to become the best superhero. And
Like Mr. Immunkable.
yes, and I want you to know, when I die, remember me when you're famous.
What about my mask? Grandpa!
Breaking news! A superhero has died by the name of Fat Man. Yes. Anyways, so there's a new we need to pick a new superhero. So yes. So you could be a new superhero today. So just like you can have to do a training, and then now they will pick you. Yo, am I hearing that? Yo, what's that noise? What the hell is this? Oh shoot! What the? What? For change, bro. Nobody gave me spare change, bro. You're probably like rich. Just, bro. Like, one thing, bro. Just stop asking, bro. I'm leaving. Please. Please.
Wait. I could be a superhero. Just like what Grandpa told me.
I want you to become the best superhero.
I think I can be a superhero.
Mr. Immunkable has saved everybody once again. Mr. Immunkable has saved the building from collapsing. Mr. Immunkable has his own merchandise. Breaking news! We have a special guest, Mr. Immunkable! Come on out! Ah, shit! That's not like shit.
Hello.
Anyway,
I hope you have
Anyways,
a
guys.
good day.
I'm gonna ask him a question. It's like kind of like a Q&A and breaking news, right?
Yeah.
Like, we're gonna do an
Yeah.
interview. Okay, what's it like being a superhero?
It's fucking hard and like it's hard and sometimes I feel like the maid, like it's kind of hard and people keep on asking me how do I get these muscles. Gotta eat your vegetables and subscribe and you get these kind of muscles.
Has anybody ever died in your lifetime?
Yes, my caretaker grandpa back in like 19 something.
Oh, that's sad.
8.
Everybody pay your respects right now.
So I'm coming to her house.
Oh, hell. Anyways. Oh, shoot. I need to go to the
what
restroom.
the fuck
Stay
happened?
here.
Okay.
I'm going to the restroom.
Okay.
Oh, it
guys.
smells like shit.
What the fuck is happening?
Ah!
What the fuck was that? The fuck is that? What's that noise? What's that noise?
I will destroy you.
Oh my god, it's him. Ah! Get back! What the bull?
I will destroy you. I am. Oh, shit. Oh, God fucking damn it. God fucking damn it.
Get back!
Wait! Where's Mr. Immunkable? Where is he?
I'm back.
Todd. be a superhero, and I'm hungry. I think one of it smells like shit. Close this. Put this in there. Hold on. I gotta think. Okay. And I'm ready. Hey, lit, man. I need to find my love to get a girlfriend, probably. Let me go to program. Oh, finally! I've been wanting to try out this restaurant for a long time. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna go get the drink. What? Oh. Why is there mold on it? I don't know, but I like my pie. It's good. Where did the mold go? It tastes bad. Okay, I'm gonna go get the drink to wash the taste up. Okay. I'm stuck on this table, man. Okay, here you go. But the table's very sticky. Oh, my stomach hurts. Actually, do you want to go to my house instead? Sure. Come on. Okay, come on. Let's go. What happened here? What the fuck? Gotta save it. Hey, what's up, Laser Beam? I haven't seen you in a long time. Me either. What's your name again? Oh man, fuck you. Man, heck you. I come here to kill you. No, bitch! Freaking Laser is dead, bitch! What the fuck are you doing? Hello, Laser Beam. Sorry, but well, it's a funeral. You're ready to die. We're finally back home. Yeah, I've been waiting to watch this movie. So what movie you want to watch? Multiverse? No, wait, actually, you want to watch the news first to see what's happening? I kind of want to watch the news. Okay, yeah, you know? Okay. Mr. Monable has saved... Hey, who's Mr. Monable? Mr. Monable has saved the building. No one. It's a hero. Damn, I bet he's a nice guy. Yeah. What the hell are you doing here? Hey, I'm gonna have to end you. Hey. Get that! No, don't kill me. Sorry. Come for your funeral. Whoa, please. I want to shoot. I don't have ammo. No, there it is. No, don't do it. Oh, shit. Fuck, man. No, fuck all of them. Okay, well. You want to do a thing? You know the thing, guys? Okay, come on. Okay, you ready? Ready? Yes. Come on. Okay. Oh, damn. It's almost complete. Let's go to my secret lair. This is great. There better not be a trap. Trying to go in my base. Breaking news, the well-known superhero named Laser Beam has been mysteriously disappeared. So we're wait, hold on. I got something wrong. What? And I got put on my super suit. Yeah, I don't want to date this guy anymore. Yes. Something's wrong. I know something's good. Okay, I'm ready. Oh, wait, bro, I'm blue. I gotta go change my suit. Ready?
Okay. Save the world. Something's wrong. It's coming from there. Gotta get over these leaves. Oh yeah.
The plan. It's almost done. Just gotta put this bitch. This is where I'm gonna explode the city. What the fuck? It's not working? Oh, I gotta get a new one. Hey! Who's there? Laser beam? Who are you? Doing here? Is that Emerald? I've seen you a long time, bro. I came here to kill you. Don't mess with me, bro. You don't know. Hey! What did you do to Fat Man? I don't know what you're talking about. Oh! This fatty? Yeah. Like that. Oh, that's him? Who cares about him, bro? He's meant to die. You killed my friend. I was supposed to be the hero until he came in. So I had to finish. He stole your fame? He stole your fame? You... Oh man, this thing doesn't have aim. Shoot, I ran out. Only one thing. What are you doing? Damn you! Finally I killed him. Stupid annoying little brat. Just gotta keep drilling. Yeah. It's almost done. Finally. Oh, what the Emerald. Hey, Emerald. What the heck are you doing here? You killed Laser Beam? My childhood friend? Why you fucking do that, huh? Think that's cool? There's a reason. Oh, there is a fucking reason. You fucking killed my friend, and now I can fucking kill you. It's remarkable. You just helped me. I'm loving now, bro. What the flip? Oh, the heck? Oh, no, I'm back. You ready to die? No, I'm not ready. No, get back. You ready to die? No. Not die. Oh shit, doesn't have an oh, wait. Oh shit! Oh shoot! Oh, that hurt. Damn it. Please, no, please. Are you ready to die? Please, no. What the hell? What the flip? Oh my god, it's an uncle. Oh, it hurts. Oh, laser beam, what? Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing over there? Where are you going? No, laser beam! Goodbye. Oh, I miss laser beam. Who are you? I miss him. I'm laser beam dad. Laser beam's dad. I'm here for his funeral. I heard that he died. His mom is dead. She died in a car accident. So, I miss him. Here you go for the honor of laser beam. Is his laser baton. Oh, my back. Okay, let me go get his skull and dig it. What would I ever do without him? Breaking news! Laser beam is dead. High laser beam died. We're gonna have Mr. Monable talking about his death.
Hello.
Second. Trust stuff
Hello.
with your news.
So, Tyler soon died. He's my childhood friend, of course. And also, I'm not wearing my gloves. I burned his baton. I'm gonna keep this forever. So, he died from, I think you heard of this villain. Emerald, you know Emerald?
Yeah. Oh, the mastermind villain of them all.
Yeah, he was the hardest. And I killed him. I think he did. I think he still has him. But, and then, that he died, and then I found this on the ground, and I buried him. Rest in peace. He died.
You hear that, folks?
He
Laser beam
sacrificed his life.
is officially deceased. So
Yeah.
that's it for today's news.
Yes.
Wait.
I'm
I
home.
want that guy.
I'm home. Bye.
See you again. I actually
Uh.
missed you. I actually missed you.
It's because I had to go on a trip, a business trip.
Oh, okay. What the heck? What?
It's Halloween, eh? Well, it was Thanksgiving yesterday, but I wasn't here yesterday. I haven't been here for like 4 days. Sorry.
What?
Because I had to go on a business trip.
Okay.
What?
Gotta say something.
What?
We need to
What?
go to the hospital.
Why?
I'm pregnant.
What the?
Yeah. Oh, dang. Oh my god. Oh, what happened to my arm? Oh, damn. Oh my gosh, my mask. Oh shoot. I can't show anyone. Oh, damn. Laser beam. If you hear this, coming for you and Mr. Monable. Oh, I can't show my face. Just launch the nukes. Launch the nukes on the city already. Okay, beep, beep, beep.
Hold up. I sense something. That's not right. What the fuck? I gotta tell everyone. Guys! It's so bung out here. Lisbon, is that you? Think I found him. I got to the news. I got to everyone.
Okay. See what to get started on. Check his x-rays. Let me make sure. Hold on. Okay. Time to get the x-ray ready. Oh, my patient laser beam. Meant to do some x-rays. Oh, laser beam.
Where am I? Where
You're in
am
the
I?
hospital right now, but I'm about to do some x-rays, but eat this medicine. I want to check him. Okay,
What?
just stay still and eat the medicine. Okay.
What are you doing, little bro?
Okay, here's not
it
good.
hurts.
So
It
I'm going to check.
it hurts. It
Okay,
hurts.
so this is good. Is this good? This good? Okay, that's a broken arm right there. Okay, just stay here and let the medicine rest. I don't know.
It's kicking in.
Okay, I'm back. I'm back.
I feel sleepy.
Okay, that sleeping medicine should work. I need a few doctors over here. Yeah, I'm begin surgery. Like, right there. This isn't working. Why is this not working? Okay, hold up. Right there. There it is. Okay, begin cutting. Oh, I can see his eyeballs. Make sure he doesn't start bleeding. On the eyeball. Okay. Got the mirror back again. Okay. There. Should be clear.
Oh, where am
Right
I?
there.
Stop.
Okay.
Get back.
Oh, you're awake? Finally. I was just doing some quick tests on you. And I got everything out of your body. I found scissors in your stomach. How is that even possible?
What the?
Yes, I just cut your goggles and I did some
What you
surgery
do?
with you. Hold up, let me just make sure one thing. Okay,
Oh,
that's
what the
good.
hell?
Okay, make sure to take your
No,
medicine.
no, no.
Take
God,
your medicine.
save it.
You need to take. My name is Dr. Pancakes. Give me a 5-star review, by the way.
Hell no.
Wait, sir, you need your medicine.
No,
Your medicine.
Heck this stuff.
Oh,
Gotta save it.
sir, you're gonna need to take your medicine here.
My medicine. Whatever. Okay, thank you. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, my back.
Sir,
Oh,
sir, you were supposed to drink something with your medicine.
oh,
Yeah, you need a wheelchair.
oh,
We'll
my
go get
back.
the wheelchair.
Don't leave me like this. Oh,
Breaking news! Oh my gosh, guys! Oh my gosh, I have to come immediately. Guys, remember when Laser Beam is deaf and everything? Well, it turns out he is not dead. Mr. Monkable found him in a tree. Oh my gosh, we have a special guest, Mr. Monkable, talking about it. This time, he is not officially deceased. He is alive.
it smells like shit.
Come on down, Mr. Monkable.
It smells like
Mr.
shit.
Monkable.
Oh, it smells like shit. What?
It smells like shit. Anyways, trust us with your news.
Get out, bro. Okay, whatever. So I found this one hanging because I was like looking around and I saw him hanging. It was so crazy.
He is in the hospital right now, I heard, right?
Yeah, I heard that he's in a coma and he's getting surgery. And also, my girlfriend that is pregnant is also in.
Whoa, Mr. Monkable. Your lady's pregnant.
Oh my god, dude, where'd you leave me?
Congratulations.
Okay, and also, yeah, and I hope Laserbeam will survive. I hope he does. This is my childhood.
Well, you heard that, folks. Hope Laserbeam is well and good. He he is alive. So anyway,
Yeah,
that
he
is
is,
for today's
he is.
news. Oh, I don't feel so good.
Are you okay?
What the hell?
What the hell?
What the hell? What the hell is that?
What the hell? Who the hell are you? What the hell? What's up, guys? I'm back.
Camila, I heard you're pregnant. Laserbeam? Oh, how do you like your new upgrade?
Hello, Mr. Monk. That's today's
Who are you? Hello, Mr. Monkable. Come on.